Hey guys, I got a lot of questions about how to update your apps right here on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. It's exactly the same thing for all of them, really, under the new iOS. So let's go into your App Store. In your App Store, on the top right hand side, you will see a circle, and it might be an image of you or whatever image you chose for your iCloud. Just go on top of there and tap. Once you tap there, you can just scroll down and you're gonna see purchased subscriptions. And if you go even more down, you're gonna see available updates. That's what you guys are looking for. So at this point in time, what we can do is just tap on update all on the top left hand side, or we can just update one at a time. So all of these are the apps that I have to update at the moment. So if something's not here, that means it doesn't need an update. And if you have automatic updates turned on, then most likely you might see just one or two or maybe even nothing here because they are automatically updating. So at this point in time, we're just gonna tap on update all on the top left hand side of my screen. And here we go. Now, if I want this to go faster, obviously I'm just gonna get closer to my router, and that way I can make sure this goes a lot faster with the updates. Obviously, the update for each app, depending how big it is, will take longer than another one. And as they update, I should see them disappearing from available updates. So like you just saw right now. And once they update, if I just scroll down, I should see them right here, like Amazon Photos. It should say updated recently. So they will move down there as long as they're all up to date. But anyways, that's how you guys can manually update your apps right here on the newest iOS. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.